partly sunny 67, and Johnstown sunny 67, winds gusting to 29. Oakland 64 degrees, humidity 29, wind west at 15. Cumberland partly sunny and 76, winds gusting to 26. In West Virginia, Morgantown 73 degrees, winds gusting to 28. Wheeling sunny 73, winds gusting to 26. Parkersburg sunny 73, winds gusting to 17. Across Ohio, Zanesville sunny 70 degrees, winds gusting to 35. Akron sunny 70, winds gusting to 37. Youngstown mostly sunny 68, winds gusting to 39. Cleveland sunny 68, winds gusting to 43. Cincinnati partly sunny 71, winds gusting to 26. Toledo sunny 62, winds gusting to 38. And Columbus partly sunny 72, winds gusting to 33. Elevated risk of wildfire spread this afternoon. A combination of dry and windy conditions will create an elevated risk of wildfire spread this afternoon. Minimum relative humidity values are forecast to drop into the mid to upper 20s across southwest Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia, with southwest wind gusts between 35 and 45 miles per hour. Residents are urged to exercise caution if handling any potential ignition sources, such as machinery, cigarettes, or matches. If dry grasses and tree litter begin to burn, the fire will have the potential to spread rapidly. Forecast for Pittsburgh and surrounding counties. For this afternoon, sunny, breezy, unseasonably warm with highs in the lower 70s. Southwest winds 20 to 25 an hour, to wind gusts of up to 40 miles an hour. For tonight, clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy, mild.